Well, I've actually been doing some sewing, which is great. I've made this. It's called Union Square. I got it from this little thing that I've got that's got all sorts of different blocks in it. It's really good. I bought it years ago, and it's still around, but it's much better now because it comes in a box like recipe cards, and you can just take them out and work with it. But it's got all these different sizes. What's it got? It's got 5 sizes, 102 blocks in 5 sizes, and it's got reference tables for what to do, and even if it just uses it as a base for other blocks, for your own blocks, it's quite good. It's quite often when I don't feel like, or I can't think, I just use this and alter it a bit, and it makes it interesting. It's a great tool. That's my lot for today, and I'm going to get on with something else now that I've broken the spell, or the dry spell of not sewing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.